Hello everyone and welcome to the video. So in the last video we have seen that how we can add a subdomain to our panel, and today we're gonna see that how we can add SSL to our subdomain. So that's pretty much the same as the main domain, but I've told you earlier that you cannot click on support SSL during creating the domain, and that's not kind of bug, but that really takes some time. I don't know, there's a proper explanation about this. So after that, after we have created the subdomain, we will click on edit, and now we can create on SSL support and click here on the let's encrypt support, and if we done everything correct, then it will be created. We'll click on save and wait for some time, because creating SSL takes some time. Yeah, the changes have been saved. So now we can browse this domain with HTTPS. We can see the log sign here, and there you go. Thank you very much.